Mimi. Are you ready for the field trip?
Yes.
Rule number 1 for bus behavior. Board the bus in order.
I'm late.
Rule number 2. Arrive early so you don't miss the bus. Rule number 3. Check if everyone is present. Mimi, here. Dee,
Here.
Theo,
Yoo-hoo!
Benny,
Ah.
Felix,
Present.
and Eddie. Eddie?
Ugh.
Eddie, we're doing attendance.
Eddie, here.
Everyone is present. Let's go.
It's me again.
Rule number 4. Everyone must be buckled up. Eddie. Rule number 5. Do not eat or litter on the bus.
Sorry.
Eddie, you shouldn't litter on the bus or out of the bus.
Sorry.
It's all right. You didn't know.
Well then, we've arrived at the museum. Rule number 6. Check that you haven't forgotten anything.
Yes.
Now let's go to the museum. And now we'll see how well you remember the rules. Mimi will check them.
Yeah.
Rule number 1. Enter the bus in order. Second rule. Come early and check if everything is in place. Dee, Theo, Felix, Benny, and Benny. Next rule. Fasten your seatbelt.
Yeah.
No eating or littering on the bus. And check if you haven't forgotten anything.
Eddie.
Huh?
Backpack.
Everything is ready. Great. We can go home now.
Yay.
Let's review the shapes we learned today.
Circle.
Square.
Triangle.
Well done. That's all for today.
Yeah.
Hello. Today we learned about shapes.
How interesting. Tell me all about it on the way to the supermarket.
Yeah.
Now we know what a circle looks like.
And a square.
And also this one. What is it? A triangle.
Right.
A triangle.
I think I have an idea.
Oh,
Let's buy groceries, each of us according to our shape.
huh?
Mimi will choose round products. Dee Dee will choose square ones.
Yeah.
And Theo will choose triangular ones to
Yeah.
remember.
Wow.
Yay.
Wow!
Yeah. Yeah.
Woohoo!
Hooray.
Wow! Yay! Yeah! Oh! Yay!
Where is Theo?
I haven't seen him.
Me neither.
I didn't buy anything. It's okay, Theo. We'll come up with something. In the meantime, let's see what Mimi has. Round orange, round apple, round kiwi, and round tomato. Well done, Mimi. What about Dee Dee? Butter is square. And cheese is square. Well done. You did great too, Theo. You just had the most difficult task.
Don't be sad, Theo.
Now, let's pay for the groceries and go home. We'll make pizza out of the ingredients you bought in the same shapes as them.
What's wrong?
I don't have any triangular ingredients. Huh?
Yeah!
They're triangular. Sometimes you can make what you need out of other shapes.
Thank you, friends. Yeah! Yum, yum. Brown pizza is the most delicious.
No. Square pizza is the most delicious.
The most delicious is the triangular pizza. It has both round and square toppings on the triangle.
Let's go get Theo and do what we were gonna do.
Yeah. What were we gonna do?
I don't know. We'll think of something later. I wonder what Theo's doing.
What? Yay!
Hi, Theo.
Hey, guys.
Hi, Mr. Fox.
Hi, kids.
What should we get up to?
Dad has a surprise for us.
Oh, what is it?
The surprise is... it's a puzzle.
Puzzle!
You need to make this forest.
Let's get started.
Okay, we'll keep time.
We don't know how to read the clock.
Okay, I'll keep time. You just get started. I'll leave you to it.
What parts are we missing? The sun.
The flower, the birds.
Where did they go?
Oh,
Maybe they're hidden somewhere in the house, and you have to find them.
Yeah! We'll be like detectives. Wow! Ah! Ah! Let's split up.
Colder. Warmer. Even warmer. Colder. Hot.
yes.
Hot.
Huh?
Colder. Hot. Colder. Hot. Very hot.
Yeah.
Ooh, colder.
What?
Warmer. Even warmer.
But it's cold. Why am I getting warmer? This doesn't make sense.
Very hot.
Yay! Yeah!
And here's your prize. Mimi, Theo, and Dee Dee found a maze.
Yum.
And there's a prize at the middle.
What if we get lost?
Maybe they'll be helpers?
Oh.
Which door will Dee Dee pick? Who? Choose the door with the circle.
Oh. This one?
That's a square. Try again, Dee Dee.
This one?
That's a triangle.
Yeah, that's the circle.
Yay! Nice job, Dee Dee. Choose door number 3. Oh, that's 2. That's 1. Look closely. Good job. What is that, Mimi? It's a map that leads to the prize. Which way does the map say you should go? You need to go right. Mimi, that's left. Maybe Mr. Ostrich can help. Right, left. Right, left.
Left.
What will Mr. Ostrich think? No.
Right. Left.
Dee Dee found the prize. But which door is the exit?
Mimi, Theo. Whoa.
Mr. Ostrich, do you see Dee Dee?
He's right there. Left. Which way is left? You got it. Now which way? Right. You can do it, Mimi. Which door is the exit? What you got there?
Oh. Yellow.
That's wrong. Now what, Mimi? Are you going to try all the doors?
Orange.
Wrong. Go for it, Theo.
Pink.
You got it. Here's the exit. Mimi and her friends found the exit. What was the prize? Candy!
Yeah.
They really love candy. They love it so much. They keep eating and eating.
Yeah.
Oof, I'm full. Me too.
I feel bad and good.
I feel so weird.
Same.
I'm just gonna lie here.
Mimi, you have some chocolate on your face.
Oh, where? Here? Better?
Not really. Here's a napkin.
Thanks. You take one too.
I want one.
Whew, that's better. Theo, Mimi, Dee Dee, lunch is ready.
Mama Fox prepared a delicious lunch today, and she invited our friends over. But Theo, Mimi, and Dee Dee were so excited about their candy that they totally forgot.
Hello.
Hi, Mom. Hi, Mrs. Fox.
Why are you so gloomy? Once I feed you, you'll cheer up for sure. How about some yummy cream of mushroom soup?
Oh, sorry. I don't eat mushrooms. And I don't either.
Just try it.
Oh, so yummy. We're full already. Thank you so much. We have to go.
Hold on. Where are you going? What about the main course? Don't go anywhere.
I can't eat anymore.
Me neither. But she'll be upset if we don't try any.
Oh, no. I just want to lie down.
I know you'll want to try my iconic ragu.
So yummy.
Wow, I'm stuffed.
Same. Thanks. We're gonna go.
Okay, I understand. I'll let you go, but try my dessert first.
The kids can tell that they're upsetting Mama Fox, so they decide to stay.
That was so wonderful. So delicious. I can't even finish it.
It was so... Why are you lying to me? Can't you just be honest and tell me it tastes bad?
No, Mom, that's not it. It really was delicious, Mrs. Fox. We just
ate a whole bag of candy. We filled up on it, so now there's no room for anything else. Don't you know you shouldn't eat too much candy at once? Eat your normal food first, then have something sweet for dessert, and you'll feel much better.
We know. We just couldn't help ourselves.
We're so sorry, Mom. I forgive you, kids. I understand what happened now. Just promise you won't do it again.
We promise.
That's great.
The kids realize they made a mistake, so they decide to stay. So the next day, they went back to visit Mama Fox again. She made them a delicious lunch, and they ate it all up.
Oh, I'm so sleepy. Kids, your attention, please. Excuse me, kids. We have a new student. Say hello.
Hi,
Benny. Now you say hi, Benny. Benny, don't be shy.
Hello.
Sit wherever you like and tell us about yourself.
Hi, I'm Mimi. Here, take mine. I have plenty. Thank you.
Oh,
No problem. These are my friends. I'm Theo. I'm Dee Dee. Let's play superheroes together. I can fly. Whee! I can jump really high. Woohoo! And I can turn invisible. Yeah, boy. We have to help him. Yeah.
Stop!
Here's Dee
Gotcha!
Don't touch him. He's our friend. Let's trade. By the way, I'm Benny. We know.